COCOMI Convener YK Dhiren demanded resignation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah on moral grounds, alleging failure to stop proxy war involving central paramilitary forces and Kuki terrorists in Manipur. He made the remarks during candlelight vigil held at Lamboy Angkong in honor of 2 children killed in Prolong attack. The vigil was attended by displaced persons from Churachandpur and More, currently residing at the relief camp. Dhiren alleged that if central forces deployed to protect the state support any one community, then the ongoing conflict will continue. He further stated that if the state government acts as per the centre's direction, COCOMI and its affiliated organizations along with the public would take steps to safeguard Manipur. He also appealed to the people to support the upcoming movements to be launched by the organization, indicating that further actions are likely in the coming days.
Narco terrorism ado rocket pagi moto amkoi se moru pong mutakadamani Indiana proxy war kudak lepradamani adu nataduna azalaiba paramilitary Indiagi military sing se misham miyam ngak na bogi lakpa nataba makoi gi haki lakpo eragadi makoi sing se misham miyam ngak pang amoi da eragadi makoi maram da ankro terrorism is thing bogi responsibility se misham miyam mai koi na purage ai bachi COCOMI amsung Manipur miyam na India lenga amsung Manipur lenga ta mayak seng na koi ngasi miyam go loina na thamjeri bu apom sini terrorist sing matak action lokatraba amsung makoi bu matam chana phadna makoi ain joiba akoi gi serak pidri phawba Manipur miyam na hanba leitana democratic oi ba kongjang sing miyam na junction na bagi damak tai koi ngarang digi singche lai cci koi wa bu phungtok ko loina na lekai da maira le satuna yaning da ba protest ki kholau miyam ai koi lauduna koi singche lei